Hello, this is a 5-minute meditation for calming anxiety and restlessness. Knowing that you are experiencing anxiety is the first step to reducing it. To calm your mind, let's first start by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. You can close your eyes or leave them open. It's up to you. Relax your jaw and make sure that there is a small gap between your teeth so that they are not touching. Now touch the tip of your tongue to the base of your upper front teeth. Now that you're sitting comfortably, let's focus on your breathing. Breathing can be a very effective tool for calming the nervous system. Make sure to breathe in and out through your nose. Good. Now let's do 10 deep breaths. With each breath, focus on the sensation of your belly expanding as you inhale and contracting as you exhale. Check in with your body. Can you feel tension in your shoulders, your chest, forehead, or anywhere else? If so, perhaps you can relax these areas. If not, that's okay too. We are trying to create awareness of where we may be holding tension. Now let's take 10 more deep, slow breaths. This time, as you breathe in, imagine any tension that you are holding onto being released on each exhale. If you become lost in thought, that's okay. Simply return your concentration to breathing and give yourself a pat on the back for remembering to focus on your breathing. This meditation is now complete. However, you can stay here and keep breathing if you feel that it will benefit you further. Have a wonderful day, and make sure to check in with yourself from time to time to see if a short meditation could help improve your mood.